Reshi, and today we are going to learn the most interesting topic of science, that is photosynthesis. Here photo means light, and synthesis means combining or making. As we know that plants are very important part of a natural environment. All living things depends on plant for their growth and survival, because plants release oxygen that all living organisms breathe. Now tell me students, who prepares food for you at home? Yes, your mother? Like plants, like us, plants also prepare their own food. And where these foods come from the plant? Yes, they prepare their own food. That is why plants are known as autotrophs. What they are called? Autotrophs. Okay, and with the help of this photosynthesis process, they prepare their food. Okay, in that process, leaves plays a very important part. So we will discuss about the functions of leaf. Okay, functions of leaf. Now see the structure of leaf. Structure of leaf. This is known as veins. This is known as midrib. Due to this broad structure, they absorb the sunlight very easily. Okay. Now, have you seen the leaves are in green in color? So, why leaves are green in color? Because of the presence of chlorophyll in it. Now, what is chlorophyll? Chlorophyll is a green pigment present inside the leaves. That is why we see leaves green in color. So it doesn't mean that some plants do not have green color. So it means they do not have chlorophyll in it. No, they also have chlorophyll in it. Just like other green leaves prepares their food, the other also prepare their own food. Okay. Now we'll discuss about the process of photosynthesis here. Now, what are the requirements of the photosynthesis? Requirements of photosynthesis process. What are the various requirements of photosynthesis process? Firstly, they require air. Second, they require water. Thirdly, they require sunlight. And they require soil. Okay. So these are the main requirements for the photosynthesis process. Okay. Now let's see with diagrammatic representation. See, this is a plant. Okay. This is a plant. Okay. Now, what are the main requirements for photosynthesis process? They require sunlight. They require sunlight, water from the soil, and requires carbon dioxide from the atmosphere. And also, they require chlorophyll. Okay. So, what is the main? Now we will discuss the full process in detail. During the daytime, chlorophyll present in the leaves traps the sunlight, and then leaves also take carbon dioxide from the atmosphere and water and minerals from the soil and transported it to the various parts of the plant. Okay, that is why we call leaf as a very important process in photosynthesis process. And the leaf is also known as the Leaf is also known as the food factory of the plant. Okay. Now see, again we'll see the structure of leaf. Inside the leaves we saw tiny pores. Okay. So what this tiny pores called? This tiny pores is known as stomata. Okay. This tiny pores is known as stomata. Now what is stomata? What are the main functions of stomata? As we have nose to breathe. Okay. So leaves also have a nose which we called as stomata. In stomata, plants breathe in and breathe out oxygen. Okay. So we can call stomata is the nose of a leaf. Okay. Define this photosynthesis process, then we can define it, the process by which the plants take sunlight, oxygen, carbon dioxide and chlorophyll from the atmosphere is known as photosynthesis process. Okay. Now, where the plants store their food? Okay. Now the question arises, where the plants store their food? Okay. Plants store their food. First, they store their food in roots. Second, in stem. Third, in root. Third, in leaves. Okay. And last is fruits. Okay. Now hope you understand the full concept of photosynthesis process. Okay. Thanks for watching. Have a good day. Thank you.